and you all are about the judges of today's spelling competitions. Mrs. Meenakshi Kandpal ma'am, the Vice Principal of Anandi Academy Bankhola, and the co-curriculum activities head Mrs. Rajni Aswal ma'am, and Pankaj Joshi sir, English department head, will be the judges of today's program. Okay, so you all are know about the round. The first round, or total is the 6 round are here. Okay, the first round is the token round. Okay, another second round is about that challenging round. You will challenge to another teams, and you will ask some difficult words to your opponent teams. Okay, after that third round is rapid fire round. Within 30 seconds, the number of words you will we will ask to you. We will dictate from here, and after that you will tell correct spelling of that word. Okay, already you know about that. Yesterday you prepared in the class 7th also. You know about that. And fourth round is visual round. Fifth round is the buzzer round, and the sixth is the final round. And in that round we will, that is like the first round token round. We will give to the two words of the each team. After that we will summarize the number of marks you will get. Okay, so this is the main round of the your spelling competitions. So without wasting the time, I would like to request English department head Mr. Pankaj Joshi sir. So please sir, start today's programs and today's spelling competition. Thank you.
And welcome to all of you of the second round of the spelling competition. So your first round will be token round. So one by one from each team, one student will come here and choose one token, and according to that number we will give you words, and if you will tell the correct spelling of these words, so you will get 5 marks for each word. Okay, so at first I call on the first token.
Yes, okay, that's it. Wait. Token number 6. Your word is 2 words we will. Yes.
So first word is competent. Competent.
10 to 20 seconds. After that, tell the right spell of this word. Second opportunity. You have the golden opportunity to correct this word or tell. Yes, discuss with your group members. Opportunity. Yes, you also participate. उनके साथ बात कीजिए कि ये स्टडी होगी इसकी. आयुष, opportunity. Opportunity means outside. Opportunity means outside. And tell the which token number is 12. 12. QUARREL. Wrong answer. LLING. Rest of it is okay. Orchestra. You know about that? Orchestra. OUR. Is correct answer. Disruption. And sorry, dedication. What did?
Dedication.
Yeah, please.
DEDICATION.
Is correct. PRIE.
Yes. PER.
Only in place of E. L. EA. SER. Is the one with Bhakti sir with us. So I welcome in the final round of spelling bee competition, which are going to held in our school. And the first round is going on. Sit down on your seat. Sir, please have a seat. Okay. FORRIEG. Incorrect. The right spell OREIGNER. Former. Okay. Tell us which token number you have.
11.
Token number 11. BUD. G.
ET.
ET is correct. Correct. budget.
PRO,
Huh?
PO, GENDH.
Is that correct? If you will say in place of O and A, PRO, PA, GAND. We
Other will be silent. Nobody will talk.
VIOLENT. VIOLENT. Not
is immature.
immature. Immature. Mature होता है? Mature person.
अपरिपक्व.
अपरिपक्व. Mature, immature. Okay? Okay? Immature according to the token number 1. Okay? And this first round is going on of the SPLB final round competition. So still you have the 5 round, buzzer round, visual round, challenge round, final round, each and everything. Lot of opportunity you have still you have lot of opportunity to get. Okay, now team number 3, pick one open.
Plus 5.
Both word is correct.
Sir,
10. Yes, your first word is
Your first word is suicidal.
suicidal. Suicide करना, that is called suicidal.
Yes. Suicidal.
Suicidal. Lot of time we given after first round. You know about that approximately more than 10 days you have, but you must learn the difficult words. And the last year we also conducted the same SPLB competition. So you all are know about that, how to conduct. Yes.
SUCIDL.
Can you repeat again?
SUCIDL.
Is correct.
No sir. DLE. She said DLE. DAL.
Is correct.
So DLE. She said DLE.
No, A.
Repeat again.
Can you again what you said? Huh?
SUCIDL.
सर
D?
इन्होंने DAL बोला था फर्स्ट में, लास्ट में
DLE.
इन्होंने DAL बोला था, अभी चेंज
आपने we are not caring about that what Ansuman and Jalal said. I am talking about that. आपने what is
SUICIDL.
is incorrect. Will be able to speak in English fluently, and you know about that. What is the meaning of the difficult word? After that, we will share the whole presentation on your WhatsApp group, and at any times you can read at your homes. Okay, it's a permanent in the format of PPT and PDF. We will share on your WhatsApp group. Don't worry for that.
Yes, we can do fast.
Yes, you ज़्यादा टाइम भी आपके पास, जल्दी करें.
Yes, Jalal.
EMPATHIZD, not O. It's okay.
ICUMIC.
Is correct answer by you. Very good. Next, team number 8.
RASIOL.
Can you repeat again?
AGGRASIOL.
Incorrect. AGGRESSION. Agree. 7th 8th students. Enrollment. Yes. Enrollment.
MISCHEIVIOUS.
Little bit mistake. MISCHEIEVOUS. Don't worry. Buzzer. एक ही बच्चा वो करेगा और हम देखेंगे कि किसकी लाइट पहले जल रही है. हो सकता है किसी का माइक्रो सेकंड में हुआ, तो ऐसा डोंट टेक अदरवाइज कि सर हमने पहले दबाया था या वो होता है, और जो हमें दिखेगा, क्योंकि हमें सब दिख रहा है किसकी लाइट पहले जल रही है. ठीक है, आप थोड़ा इधर को हट जाइए, हमें ये वाली लाइट भी दिख लीजिए. और वहां पे किसका है, हाँ बस थोड़ा सा पीछे को हटे. ओके, आपको वो होना चाहिए. अगर आपने पहले बजर दबाया और गलत बताएंगे -5. Okay, so if you when you will be sure to the right spelling of the word which is pronounced by our side, the Pankaj sir and me, so then you will put the buzzer for. Okay, your first word is surrender. Yes, that team number 5. and you have the only 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, you will give the answer. Surrender, not surrender. Surrender, surrender मतलब अब नहीं करना बेटा, उन्होंने पहले बजट दबा दिया तो उन्हीं को चांस मिलेगा. Is correct. Very easy. Correct.
HANDKERCHIEF.
Correct answer.
This spell, this word spelling?
PNEUMONIA.
Pneumonia. Very correct word by the
CHOREOGRAPH.
correct. Choreo.
Repeat.
CONSCIOUS.
Correct answer.
Conscious. Very good. दूसरे पूछ सकते हैं कोई दूसरा?
Yes, ask to team third.
Is the country name? Round. Okay. So we will show with the help of projectors some pictures on the screen, and after watch the pictures. You identify the pictures, you will put the buzzer, and who will put the buzzer first, we will give to chance that teams to give answer of that. First of all, you will tell what it is. After that, you will tell us about the right spelling of that picture. Okay? Just like हमने कोई आपको elephant दिखाया, तो आपको first of all you will tell me about that. Yes sir, this is elephant and the spelling of ELEPHANT like this. Okay? So same. So all you are ready for that? Yes sir. Sure? Yes sir. About yeah, definitely minus marking is there, and so before pressing the buzzer, think and then press the button. Okay? Yes. The first is pictures on your screen.
Aquarium.
Tejas. That is aquarium is correct, but you will tell the spelling of aquarium.
AQU.
Can you write here, sir? Okay, that picture. Okay. What is aquarium?
AQU. RA. Yes.
AQ. Yes, don't look at there.
RIU1.
Can you repeat again?
AQU. RA. RIU1.
Incorrect. -5. Next picture?
Yes.
Your next picture on your screen. मैम आप लोग इसको वहां मत देखिए, आप लोग अभी हुआ ही नहीं.
ये इस साइड से चार बार अक्षर.
आप लोग मैम स्क्रीन को मत देखिए, आप लोग यहाँ देखिए. मैम आप पीछे आइए, आपको ये नहीं दिखेगा ना. ये नहीं दिखेगा आपको.
ये भी दिख रहा है सर, वो नहीं दिख पा रहा मुझे बार बार. अक्षर
आप अपनी चेयर ऐसे खिसका. Yes, Arnav. मैम Arnav ना?
नहीं सर, प्रथा वाला.
What it is? First of all, identify the pictures and tell us. Then you will tell us the right spelling. Gymnastic is the correct. So please tell us what is the spelling of gymnastic. Gymnastic.
JYMNASTIC.
Can you repeat again?
JYMNASTIC.
Just wait. पूरा है. आप पूछिए.
Correct.
Correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Stethoscope. Next. रिकॉर्डिंग हुई है? सबके बल पा है. अरे नहीं आएगा ना. Wait, memory. दिखाओ. Wait, so repeat कर लीजिए. आप ये प्रथा वाला बल्ब दिख रहा है ना? यस कहने से कुछ नहीं होगा. We have CCTV कैमरा. Taekwondo is the correct. Is the correct answer by the. Next on your screen. Bhavay Joshi, good. Can you repeat again the glacier? वेट वहां देखिए आप. अभी रुक जाइएगा. नीचे वाला दबाना. अभी दबाओ. Everyone. Next. Next. Yes. चलिए next. Immediately. Incorrect. Disappeared.
Negative. Correct.
Correct. Restaurant. Incorrect. Parachute. Incorrect. Museum. Correct. Conduct. Incorrect. Efficient. Over. Minute of silence. Your first word is application. Correct. Orphan. Orphan. Incorrect. Assessment. Incorrect. Biscuit. Correct. Catalog. Incorrect. Psychology. Correct. Achievements. Incorrect. Good luck. And your time start now. What? Parliament.
PARLIAMEN.
Correct. Constitution.
CONSTITUTION.
Is correct. Rehearsal. Kerosene.
KEROSENT.
Correct. Interesting.
INTERESTING.
Correct. Tongue.
TOUNG.
Correct. Unconscious.
UNCONXRSIOUS.
Incorrect. Fortuner.
FORTUNER.
Incorrect. Diabetes. Sorry. Time over. Prada. E4. Your first word. Your time start. Mathematics.
MATHEMATIC.
Is cardiology.
Sir?
Cardiology department. Cardiology.
CARDELOG.
Incorrect. Diagnostic.
Sir?
Temperature.
TEMPERATUR.
Correct. Ambulance.
AMBULANCE.
Silently.
Correct. Encyclopedia.
INSY.
Incorrect. Thermometer.
THERM.
This is the first one.
Team high. Okay. Who is one? Good luck. Rapid fire round. 30 seconds we will give to you. And your first word is requirement.
REQURREMEN.
Correct. Scandal.
SCANDAL.
Incorrect. Terrorism.
PERRISM.
Incorrect. Beginning.
BEGINNING.
Correct. Committee.
Committee COMMITTE.
Incorrect. Replacement.
REPLACEMENT.
Correct. Geometry.
GEOMATRY.
Incorrect. Your first word is language.
LANGUAGE.
Correct. Challenge.
CHALLENGE.
Correct. Opinion.
OPDINION.
Correct. Category.
CATOR.
Incorrect. Geography.
GEOGRAPHY.
Correct. Adventure.
ADVENTATUR.
Correct. Assessment.
ASSEMENT.
Incorrect. Cancel.
CANCEL.
Squadron. Wrong. Dictionary.
DICTONKI.
Incorrect. DICTION. Okay. Museum.
Yes, team first.
Discuss with your pet and then after that tell them.
EIAT.
Can you repeat again?
IMMIDIAT.
One spelling.
Correct answer. Correct.
CLOPEDIN.
Encyclopedia. Correct.
Correct.
Now.
CINAT.
Correct answer. Vaccinate.
Next, team number 6, you are